Hey, what's going on, guys? Brendan from Plumblebee here. So today I'm pretty excited. I got my Milwaukee 100-foot pipeline inspection camera. I used to have the 120-foot mid-stiff. This one is the 100-foot flexible version. Since I no longer have that other camera, decided to get this one instead because this one supposedly can go into, 1.5 or 2 inch with no problems. It can make those bends, it can make those turns and have no issues. But at the same time, it can also do, 2 inch all the way up to 4 inch. And it does come with the skids and everything like that. So it shouldn't be a problem getting in main sewer lines, hopefully. Maybe at longer distances, we might have an issue since it's a little bit more flexible. But I'm pretty excited to unbox this and then having a sewer inspection camera again. Finally, I was able to afford one. So I do want to do an unboxing today, and it's just going to be an unboxing only. However, there's really not many videos of anybody doing comprehensive or in-depth reviews of these particular Milwaukee inspection cameras of any kind, really, other than Milwaukee themselves. I haven't really seen any. So I really just want to do a comprehensive review at some point of this actual camera, maybe show how it works, but I really just kind of want to touch on all of its actual features because just like the last camera, I know this camera is going to be pretty much the same because it uses the same hub and everything like that. It comes with pretty much the same stuff. But this thing has so many features, and this thing is a cut above pretty much any other camera system that I've used, in my opinion. I have used the Ridge's camera system and the Scout locators and stuff like that. Very nice system as well. But I do, carry pretty much all Milwaukee stuff. I have the batteries and stuff like that, so I'm already on the platform. So it just makes it that much easier to actually make the decision in buying this thing again, pretty much. But I do want to make a comprehensive review, like I said, because nobody's really done it. Let me know what you guys think. But just for today in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing just to show what all comes in this kit. So let's get started. All right, guys, here we go. So for those interested, this is product number 2972-22. Here is the, I guess we could say the front of the box, because I'm going to have to flip it to get into it. But so this is the 100-foot Milwaukee pipeline inspection camera system. Comes with a unit or the 100-foot reel right here. The control hub itself, which is interchangeable, which is nice. It does come with two 5.0 batteries, the rapid charger, the mobile device mount, so your tablet or I believe your phone and stuff like that as well. It might have a magnet on it. I can't remember. A couple barrel skids, a carrying strap, and then the grounding stake and the lead clamps. So let's get into this bad boy. So let me flip it here. And now we'll just put that up. It's always exciting, isn't it? Taking off the paper. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so yeah, at least I got that right. This is the very top of the box. So this is what we got at the very top. So we got our 5.0 batteries. That's number one. Number two here. Always nice to have. Can't have too many batteries, right? Looks like one of the skids here. It's a barrel skid. That's kind of tough to get out. There we go. obviously some sort of tool. I'm surprised. I don't actually know what this is, to be honest with you. Huh. For something. Weird. I've had a camera like this before, and I never really paid attention to what that is. This is your lead, so you can actually ground this thing, and you can trace water lines with this thing, which is nice. So, oh, here's a grounding stick, and then you got your lead and clamps and everything like that. So, which is nice. This comes with, I've actually used this before. It works pretty well. Comes with rapid charger, which is nice. That at least comes with a rapid charger. So one of their newer chargers charges the battery quite a bit quicker than the older ones, which is nice. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, the other one was a manual, of course, and then here's the operator's manual. This is the other operator's manual. Okay, quite a thick book here, actually. Okay. Here is the strap. Put your strap up to it, make it easier to carry. I think this thing comes with backpack straps, but we're about to see. My other one did, my 120-foot one did, so we will see here in just a moment. So let me see here. I might actually hit the camera trying to take this thing out. All right. So here she is. I might actually have to cut after this, and then skip to when I got this thing out, but we'll actually see. Oh, here's the tablet mount. And I think, well, yeah, clearly, I never really realized on my last camera, but this thing is magnetic, so, and it comes with a little magnet too, which is kind of cool. So, if you have like one of the newer phones, I'm sure this thing can just stick to it magnetically, but it's nice to have. But this is more obviously for a tablet, which is what I would be using. I wouldn't buy the actual tablet. I think it's like $1,500 to buy the Milwaukee branded tablet that goes with this, or the monitor, I guess, so to say. In my opinion, it's a complete waste. Especially if you have a phone or a tablet or something. Like I said, I'm just going to use my iPad. But even your phone will make do. There's no reason to buy a $1,500 monitor. I don't know if that's still the current price, but I think that's ridiculous to buy, just a screen for $1,500. So we won't be purchasing that. And then here is the actual camera, the hub, and the reel. Is what's left in the box, which is pretty nice. I'll actually see. I might not have to cut, but I'm gonna have to take this thing out and set it on the table. So let's see if I can get this thing out and then move the actual box and then put it back. Pretty sure that comes with everything, if I'm not mistaken. Or that's everything. Oops. I'm actually not seeing the other skid. Maybe it's still in here somewhere. Well, that's okay. All right. We'll set it right here. And okay, so I'll explain a few other things, obviously, because this will be a pretty quick unboxing. But here's your actual hub itself, and then you got your reel on the back. Again, this is the 100-foot flexible camera inspection system. So the reel is 100 foot. This is where the battery would go. This is just a battery compartment. This thing, the actual hub, can actually hold a charge too. I want to say for maybe 20 minutes, but I'm not too sure of that. Don't quote me on that, but which is nice though. It still gives you time. If your battery's dead in here, you can go grab another battery and replace it, but you can still be live and work in the camera. up until that point that you replace the battery. So, which is nice that this thing actually holds the charge. You got your power button here, I believe. I'm not sure, or I'm sorry, that zeroes it out. Maybe this is the power button. Sorry guys, it's been a while, but again, I can do a more comprehensive review once I get used to this thing again. It does have Wi-Fi, so that's how it can connect to your tablet, I believe, and even the monitor or your phone. You can connect up to multiple devices to this thing, which is really nice. You got your USB and a USB-C as well right here, so you can plug in a flash drive and save videos and stuff like that, or you can just save them wirelessly on your actual phone or tablet or whatever device that you're using. This would be for the lead and the grounding clamp and everything to actually locate water lines, or maybe other things. In my case, it would just be water lines. So the camera head is actually still in here, but let's see. So maybe this one doesn't come with backpack straps. I thought it did. This little knob right here, you can loosen, and you see how this thing starts to turn now. So this is just what's tightening the reel, basically, or the drum that has a reel inside of it, or the not the reel, I'm sorry, the actual cable inside of it. So this can kind of loosen and everything. That's pretty much it. This is where your tablet would be mounted to right here. It just kind of clicks into place. Let's see if we can get the actual tablet mount. Yeah, so you got, it's slotted right here, so you just put this on, it should just click into place. Yeah, there you go. Just kind of clicks into place right here. And then you can just press the buttons right here. There's 2 tabs on either side to release this thing. Here's the tabs. And this thing loosens or tightens that as well. I think you can maybe turn this or pivot it somehow. Let's see. Yeah. And you can turn it whatever way you want, which is nice. Milwaukee thought of quite a bit here, so let's see what else we got. Just real quick, just to make the unboxing video a little bit longer. Didn't need to be that short. This right here, this is your hub, which again, if you have the 200-foot reel, the 100-foot or the 120-foot reel, or whatever other ones that they have out there, you can actually take this hub off by just clicking this button, or just pushing this in and then just pulling this thing straight out, which is real nice, right? And here's your actual camera head, which is very nice as well. The quality on this thing is like super clear. So it's just as easy as that. Like, you can pull this hub out and you can put it on another camera reel, which is super nice. So we'll set this aside for now. And then we'll bring back all the other parts that it came with, just so you guys can see. So once again, it does come with 2 5-amp-hour XC lithium M18 batteries. It does come with the strap, which is nice. It's supposed to come with 2 barrel skids. You actually put this on the camera head itself, and it can kind of keep you kind of centered in your sewer line that you're running the camera in. It must be somewhere else in the box, but I'm not going to dig through it right now. But you should have 2 of those. You got a couple manuals here. You got your lead and ground clamp here. Again, I'm super sorry, but I don't know what this goes to. But it's some sort of tool, obviously. And then you have your rapid charger right there, which is also pretty nice. And then you have your tablet, smartphone, or device, you know, holder that actually fits on top of the setup itself, or the camera itself. So here, it's the actual camera, the hub and the reel and everything right here. So I hope you guys liked this quick unboxing that kind of shows everything in here. Again, it should have another, you know, barrel skid, but whatever, we'll find that. But I'm gonna do a more comprehensive review of this camera system. I'm sure you guys are wanting to see that, because again, I don't think there's any other comprehensive or in-depth review of this system outside of what Milwaukee has actually had on their website, and I think they have it on YouTube as well. But no actual consumer that I've really seen has given an in-depth review of this thing, and I would actually like to do that, because there is a lot of features, maybe showing it being connected to my camera or my phone or my iPad or something like that. But I'm super excited to be using this thing. This thing is super handy to have. It is a money maker too, so to say, because you know, you're running tests and stuff like that, and you want to see if somebody has breaks or bellies in their sewer line and be able to get that repaired for them. So this is a must-have, especially if you're a service plumber. But I'm not going to take up too much more time. So if you guys like this unboxing, you know, like or comment in the video if you have any ideas of any more content you'd like to see in the future. But I will be making more videos of this actual system in the future. So I appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next one.